If you drive a Ford, you know the pain of a failing wheel hub. But this specific part claims to solve that headache permanently by being the real factory deal. We're talking about the genuine Ford parts hub assembly, part number DL1Z-1104-A, and honestly, the difference between this and a cheap aftermarket replacement is night and day, especially when it comes to safety and longevity. Let's be real, when you're replacing a critical component like a wheel hub, you are betting on quality. And the biggest selling point here is that this is explicitly not an aftermarket part. It's OEM. That means it was manufactured to the exact, stringent Ford standards that the original part was built to. Why does that matter? It's all about precision. Aftermarket hubs often cut corners on the bearing quality, the metallurgy of the housing, or the exact tolerances needed for a perfect fit. That leads to premature failure, annoying road noise, and frankly, a safety risk. Holding this DL1Z-1104-A assembly, you can just feel the difference in weight and construction. It's robust. The fitment is absolutely flawless because it's designed by the same engineers who designed the vehicle it goes into. You don't have to fight with bolts or worry about sensor alignment issues that plague generic replacements. When you install this, the job is done right the first time, and you get that factory-smooth, silent ride back immediately. The performance impression isn't about speed or horsepower, it's about reliability and peace of mind. This hub assembly is designed to handle the specific loads, temperatures, and stresses of your Ford vehicle for tens of thousands of miles, just like the original. It's the assurance that your wheels aren't going to develop that dreaded wobble or grinding noise 6 months down the road. If you value your vehicle's integrity and your own safety, skipping the aftermarket gamble for this genuine DL1Z-1104-A hub assembly is absolutely the smart move. It's the definition of factory-grade peace of mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.